Hello and welcome to another lesson within SOLIDWORKS. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to prepare an orthographic projection drawing of the nail. If you have not got the nail finished or drawn, you cannot continue with this lesson. So I'm going to close this and I want you to open up the drawing that we created at the start, the blank drawing. So we do not have to go and change in the border or the title block, it's already done. This one is saved as our blank drawing, so what we'll do is we will save this as our nail drawing, and in lesson 4 I want you to call this nail. Before I proceed on, I want to change the name of it in the title block. To do that, I will right click, go edit sheet format, double click the text, and I will call this nail. I might need to move it around like that, and I will, so I'm happy with that. I will confirm that then. So I want to start off by bringing the nail in, so I will go to view layout and I will go to model view, and I want to go to browse, and I want you to look for where you saved your nail. So for me it's automatically here, so I will click nail and click open, and this is the size it's going to be. To me it looks like it's going to be quite small, so I'm going to change the scale of it a little bit. So I'm going to go to scale, use custom scale. So at the moment it is saying that this is 1:1. So let's make it a little bit bigger. This time we might go 2:1 and see what that is like. That seems a lot better. I'm going to left click once and I'm happy enough with that. I'm going to come down and do a plan, come back up, go to the right and do an elevation then. And I might just do an isometric view as well up here. There are 4 main views I want. So as always, if I want, I can put other views in, but I'm happy enough with what I have. I will confirm that. I'm going to select this and drag it down over here somewhere for the moment. Now I'll just say that so my work is not lost. I want to add a few dimensions onto it then, so I will go to Smart Dimension, and I want you to Smart Dimension from the very top to the very bottom. I might have to do that again. Smart Dimension from the very top to the very bottom, and I leave it there. I will Smart Dimension the shank, the diameter of it was 12, and maybe the width of the head of it, radius or diameter 30 there. They're quite small, so I might change the size of the text. So to select them all at the same time, I will press and hold the control button, which is a button in the bottom left hand corner, and I will select all 3 buttons or dimensions at the same time. I can let go of my control button, go to other, unclick use document font, click font, and I will make it size 8 maybe, and click OK, and that's perfect there. So I might just move them around a small bit if needs be. I can click save again to make sure I'm not losing my work. I want to add a little bit of text from my elevation plan and end view, so I will go to note, type in elevation, and let's make it bigger. Let's make it size 20 and confirm that. And again, move it around so it's centralized. I will do the same down here. Note, plan, double click it, size 20, confirm. And the same with over here, the end view. So I'll go to note, end view, select it all, and size 20, confirm that, and move it around like that. So I will click save again to save my work. What else is there? I want to do a little detail view now as well of this section. That would allow us to kind of give us a magnified view of this area. So to do that, within view layout, let's go to detail view this time. And what we're going to do is we're going to end up drawing a circle around this section, and where we click will be the center of it. So I'm going to click roughly here, and a circle should draw out like that. So draw a circle roughly, there's no set size for it, but just roughly so it's covering this area. So I'll go like that, and if I zoom out, a little magnified area of that area there, or a magnified drawing of that area should come out. So I left click there. That's what I wanted. It's telling me it is a scale of 4:1. Let's make it slightly bigger so it's more pronounced or more obvious. So under scale, it is automatically under user defined. So let's go 5:1 and confirm that, and it goes slightly bigger then. So I just save that to make sure my work is not lost, and I might go to annotation and smart dimension. And I can smart dimension my radius there, which is radius 1. It's light blue, so that means it is selected. I am going to go to other, font, and make size 8. So I'll confirm that. And the final thing I want to do then is I want to make sure that these isometric view and the detail view have a bit of color in it. So I will select this, and under display style I will go to shaded with edges, select this, under display style go shaded with edges. So I save that, and maybe I want to add a little bit of color to my original drawing. So I might open up my original drawing, which is nail, open, and I'm going to add a bit of material to it, maybe a metal color of some sort. So let's go to metal, let's go to brass maybe, and satin finished brass maybe. Save that, close it, and you can see that automatically it is updated for me into the material. Okay, so I'm going to save that. That's my drawing done. I also want to create a PDF of this. So file, save as, and the file type, click the down arrow here and go to Adobe Portable Document Format, which is .pdf. Leave it as nail, and a PDF should be created. So I'll have a look there. I'm in my folder, nail, and there is a PDF of the actual nail. Now I've noticed a slight error in this. If you notice that we have our text down here that says SOLIDWORKS Educational Edition for instructional use only, that is text that I cannot control, that is automatically in the SOLIDWORKS Educational Edition. So it's kind of conflicting with my plan here. So I'm going to change that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this for the moment, and I'm going to delete my PDF drawing. I do not want that anymore. I'll go back into my drawing here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything up just slightly. I know that my text is generally down here, so as best I can I'll move it up as high as I can. So that should be fairly okay there now. I'm going to save that, and I'll go to File and save a new PDF. So I'll click the down arrow here, go to PDF and click Save. And let's see how this one looks now. I will minimize that, PDF file. Yes, that's a lot better. So for example, my text is now not covering my actual object. So that is the end of this lesson.